Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating a film strip image from a folder of images in Python can be a useful task, especially if you want to visually represent a series of images in a single frame. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of generating a film strip image using Python and some popular libraries like opencv and numpy. We'll also assume that you have a folder containing the images you want to include in the film strip. Requirements. You can install opencv and numpy using pip if you haven't already. Now, let's create a Python script to generate a film strip image. This script does the following. Make sure to replace input_folder with the path to your folder of images and output_file with your desired output file name. You can adjust the film strip height, border color, and border size according to your preferences. When you run this script, it will generate a film strip image in the specified output file with all the images from the input folder arranged horizontally. Remember to place your image files in the input_images folder or adjust the input_folder variable accordingly. ChatGPT.